Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you best image optimizer plugin in WordPress. Now, to be honest, I have been using a lot of image optimizer plugins in WordPress, and one of the best plugins that I basically found was Smush right here. Now, this is the most popular image optimization plugin for WordPress, and to be honest, this is by far the best plugin. If you want free and quality plugin, this is the best plugin. It also is a commercial plugin. As you can see, this plugin is free but offers additional paid commercial upgrades or support. Now, as you can see, you can do a lot of different things with this plugin. Lossless compression, lazy load, you can fix lazy load, bulk smush, so you can actually clear up the cache as well. And you have a lot of different things: optimize images, turn on lazy load, resize, compress, and improve your Google page speed with incredibly powerful and 100% free WordPress image smusher. Now all you have to do is go to your WordPress, go to plugins, and then from plugins, what you will need to do is add a new plugin here and go and type in Smush here. And then as you can see, you'll be able to go here and you'll be able to basically install it. I already have it installed. I need to update it now. Obviously, there are a couple more plugins just like this that are good. For example, Hummingbird is a good one, but I really like this one. But these two, you cannot really go wrong with them. As you can see, 1 million active installations for Smush and over 100K active installations for Hummingbird. So as you can see, this is how it looks like behind the scenes. You can get all the analytics as well, and stuff like that, resized uploaded images and stuff like that. You can set automatic smush to resize and optimize every image as it's uploaded as well. So yeah, it's a great plugin overall. I would definitely recommend it, 10 out of 10. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.